When we first crossed paths, I had no idea I was to embark on the craziest, most epic adventure of my life. Then for almost a year of being friends, nag-confess ako sa'yo, and diligawan kita. Sinagot mo ako kasi pumasa ako sa thesis.
Mahina yung balance eh.
Kahit bata pa tayo, alam ko sa sarili ko noon na ikaw na ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay. Every day up until now, nadadagdagan pa rin yung love ko para sa'yo. I'm so lucky that I met you. And giving me something na hindi ko maipaliwanag ng mga salita. Dahil sa'yo, bebe, I always want to be the best version of myself. Hindi lang para sa akin, hindi para sa ating dalawa.
Hello. Hi. Siyempre. Plastic, no?
Never ka nawalan ng time sa akin. I always feel safe and secured when I'm with you. Thank you for loving me so much na minsan feeling ko hindi ko na-deserve. Na mapapaisip ako ano bang ginawa ko in this life to deserve this kind of love. A love that is pure and unconditional.
Habang tumatakbo ang kamay ng orasan, umiikli ang buhay ng mga taong malapit sa ating lahat. Kaya naman, kung meron kayong pagkakataon palagi to make beautiful memories, to the people you love, take those opportunities, knowing and believing that time spent with family ay palagi po yung pakinabang.
Bahera.
Sobrang thankful ako kay God dahil binigay ka niya sa akin. At sa parents mo, dahil pinalaki ka nila ng maayos.
Ganda mama ko.
Who would have thought na nakatayo na tayong dalawa ngayon sa harap ng Diyos, pamilya at mga malalapit sa atin ngayong araw na to.
O, ba't naiyak ka?
Naging best friend, boyfriend, business partner, fiancé, at akalain mong crush mo lang ako dati. Ngayon magiging asawa mo na. Swerte mo naman.
It makes my questions grow too large, and I feel that I run far.
Salamat dahil mula umpisa hanggang ngayon, hindi nawala ang respeto, pag-intindi at pagmamahal mo sa akin. Thank you dahil minahal mo rin lahat ng importanteng tao sa buhay ko, lalo na yung pamilya ko at yung mga aso ko. Ilang beses mong pinatunayan sa akin na mahal mo ako kahit anong mangyari. Na kahit anong sitwasyon ay lagi mo akong pipiliin.
I promise to always be your partner in crime. Whether that means makipagpalit sa'yo ng order, kasi mas masarap yung in-order ko kaysa sa'yo. Or ibigay ko yung balat ng fried chicken ko. Maging baby move, lala move sa online selling mo. Maging hiking body, gym body, at kahit manood tayo ng mga movie na puro Tagalog, okay lang sa akin. Kahit anong trip mo, sasamahan kita. I will always support you and cheer you kasi ako ang biggest fan mo.
'Cause you've captured my heart in ways I didn't know I could be captured. You've captured my heart in ways I didn't know I could be captured.
Minsan nga po pinagtatagpo ng Diyos ay magkasalungat. Ano po? Siguro isa po sa dalawang ito ay napakalinis po sa bahay. Ang isa po ay medyo makalat po sa bahay. Sino po sa palagay nyo? Si Adrian po o si Carol? Parehas makala.
Oh, you've captured my heart in ways I didn't know I could be captured. Oh, and how could I ever leave? How
First time ko kasi
could I
kasal.
ever
Next time ano muna? Ayaw mo na next time.
Bebe, as we stand here today, surrounded by the love and support of our friends and family,
You've been
I want to make a final vow to you. I vow to cherish and nurture the love we share. As your husband, I promise to always be the best partner for you and to never take for granted the precious gift of having you by my side. I vow to continue growing with you, to embrace change and face challenges together. With all my heart, I take you as my partner for life, to laugh with you in joy, to grieve with you in sorrow, and to celebrate the beauty of every moment we share. I love you more than words, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life showing you just how much you mean.
We take Adrian to be your wedded husband. Cherish him in sickness and in health. Be faithful to him as long as you both live.
I will follow.
Adrian, you may now kiss your wife.
Tulad nga ng line sa kanta ni Ebe Dancel, ikaw ang nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda, na sa lahat ng naging desisyon ko sa buhay, sa iyo lang ako pinakasigurado. No matter what happens, I'm glad I took the risk. I promise to choose you every day. I will love you at our happiest and love you even more at our hardest time. I love you.